The plan to settle humans on Mars seems no less a fictional story. The owner of Tesla and SpaceX, Elon Musk, has a plan to build an entire city on Mars by 2050, where 1 million humans could live all without the help of Earth. The enormity of this plan was ridiculed at first, but people started believing in it when NASA joined SpaceX's Mars mission. For many years, SpaceX has made significant progress in rocketry technology. Steve, by the way, SpaceX has made significant progress in rocketry technology. As we know, Musk's company, Tesla, is also an expert in making electric cars with autopilot. Similarly, SpaceX has used technology that allows rockets to reach space with minimal fuel consumption. Mars, which is 62 million kilometers away from Earth, is the target for transporting humans. To achieve this, a Starship is being developed, which will operate with batteries similar to those used in Tesla cars. This means it will use minimal fuel. SpaceX aims to transport humans to Mars, but the bigger question is, how can a human colony be established on Mars? Why are Musk and NASA trying to send humans to the barren land of Mars, leaving behind the green Earth? There is no oxygen to breathe, no food or water, and the temperature drops to minus 100 degrees Celsius with no shelter available. How can humans survive on Mars under such conditions? These are the very questions that you will learn the answers to in this video. Welcome again at Global Facts Videos. First, let's talk about why, when Earth has all the natural facilities for humans, there is a need to send people to Mars. For centuries, research on Earth's climate has yielded negative results. Scientists have confirmed that since humans began using fossil fuels like petrol and gas, the Earth's temperature has been steadily rising. It is predicted that at some point the temperature will rise so much that no living being will be able to survive on Earth. According to a survey, the average temperature on Earth increases by 2.6 degrees Celsius every 10 years. If this continues, the areas where humans currently live will no longer be habitable in about 150 years. The rising temperature is also causing glaciers to melt rapidly, which increases the likelihood of floods, cyclones, and tsunamis. It's not just about fuel usage. Pollution has also damaged the Earth's ozone layer, which protects us from harmful solar radiation. Scientists agree that one day, Earth will no longer be habitable, and that is why humans are looking for another home, another planet. But why Mars? Why not other planets in our solar system? Mars has been chosen because, despite its challenges, it is the most feasible option. Venus, another neighbor in our solar system, is much closer to Earth than Mars, but we cannot go there because it has extreme heat that could melt iron. On the other hand, Mars, though very cold, doesn't have extreme heat like Venus. The temperature on Mars is much lower than Earth's, and it lacks oxygen and water. In hostage land, so even though survival conditions are harsh, scientists believe that humans can survive on Mars with the right technology. So NASA and Musk have developed a plan to send humans to Mars, and in 2016, a small group of humans will go to Mars with everything they need to survive for at least 2 years. This includes food, oxygen, and pressurized suits. Before they arrive, however, it's essential to set up protective shelters on Mars. These shelters will be made from Martian soil and will protect the humans from dangerous dust storms. Remarkably, robots will construct these shelters on Mars. These robots will be sent to Mars before humans to begin the work. They will be designed to work autonomously and quickly, with sensors, cameras, and 3D printers. Once the shelters are complete, the first human group will land on Mars. They will be welcomed by robots who will assist them with their supplies and transport them to the base. The humans will stay in pressurized units, similar to Earth's atmosphere, and solar energy will power these units. If anyone needs to go outside, they will use special equipment to manage the pressure difference. To grow food on Mars, a greenhouse will be built. Initially, only crops like potatoes and beans will be grown. As these plants grow, they will help produce oxygen. However, the amount of oxygen will be insufficient, so more systems will be developed to produce oxygen from the Martian atmosphere. One experiment has already been conducted using a device that uses solar energy to extract carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and separate oxygen from it. It prevents water on Mars will be extracted from frozen reserves beneath the surface, and Mars rovers have already detected its presence. With these systems, humans can survive on Mars without relying on Earth's resources. In 1995, but the real question is, will life on Mars remain limited to small, pressurized habitats? Scientists believe that with the right changes in Mars's atmosphere, such as increasing the temperature, the planet could become more Earth-like. This could take hundreds of years, but it may be possible to terraform Mars, making it suitable for humans in the long term. Some of the ideas for this include using factories built by robots to release smoke that could cause global warming on Mars, similar to what is happening on Earth. Another plan proposed by Musk is to use nuclear weapons to release massive amounts of heat and increase the planet's temperature, making it habitable for humans. NASA and Musk's plan involves sending small groups of people to Mars starting in 2036 for experiments. Over the next few decades, as Earth and Mars come closer to each other, more humans will be sent to Mars. By 2050, 1 million people could be living on Mars, and efforts will continue to make the planet more habitable. And the goal is for Mars to eventually become a second Earth. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel for more interesting facts videos.